Well, this is weird because I'm like talking to myself, but then I'm really talking to other people. But okay, let me be serious. Who's that? Hi guys, it's Melissa, other known as Beauty by Melissa on Instagram. I know y'all be seeing my work and stuff and y'all like, yes, who is this girl? It's me. Yep, it's me. Hi, how y'all doing? I am 22 years old. I am from Brooklyn, New York. So if you're from Brooklyn, guys, you know we poppin'. And I'm Haitian, you know where my zo's at, more Haitian. All right. I'm Haitian. I've been doing makeup for about, I would say 3 years now. I started working at a store and then I decided to freelance a year and a half ago. And yeah, when I decided to freelance, that's where things took off. Like my page took off since I started freelancing. So I'm so thankful for that. And I hope the same thing happens for YouTube. But anyways, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I know you guys are so excited because I'm excited. Finally, I'm starting my YouTube channel. Finally. I decided to start my YouTube channel because I want to be able to do tutorials for you guys. I know you guys are always asking me like, how does she do this? Can you do a tutorial? But guess what? The tutorials are coming after this video, okay? So yeah, I wanted to start my YouTube channel to get tutorials out there, product reviews, start working with brands. Basically, I'm trying to evolve myself to get more different areas of the makeup world or whatever. So this is a little bit new to me because I'm usually behind the camera taking the video, so sitting in front of the camera is a little different. So y'all gonna have to bear with me a little bit because this is very new to me and I'm kind of shy and I'm hot too. So yeah, all these lights. So yeah, I want you guys to let me know what you guys want to see from me, any video ideas, what type of content you guys are looking for. I know you guys want tutorials and stuff like that, but I also want to give makeup artist advice, you know, people that want to start doing makeup, how to work with clients. It's going to be tutorials on me and on clients. I want to give you guys both options. I'm going to start doing product reviews and all of that, trying out new products. I mainly use like the same things, but I want to dibble and dabble and do other things. And also, yeah, I wanted to just see where I'm going to go with this. I want to be very consistent because I bought this expensive ass camera, okay? It's expensive, so we're going to put it to use. So I want you guys to join the family because I'm all about positive vibes, no negativity, all about positivity, lifting people up. That's what I want my page to be. But you know, before I post my tutorial, there's a catch, okay? Y'all gotta get me to 10K subscribers on YouTube because I'm not gonna be posting videos and nobody's watching it. And on top of that, I'm very busy with my clients. So yeah, I need you guys to help me get to 10K. So you gotta tell your mother, your friends, okay? Your friends. Tell your baby father, okay? Your ain't shit boyfriend. Everybody. Everybody gotta subscribe, okay, to this YouTube channel because we about to be lit and popping. I want you guys to learn. So please help me get to 10K subscribers and then we will get this YouTube channel on and popping with tutorials, reviews. I don't know about vlogging yet because I don't have much of a life, but you know, maybe in the future I'll do vlogs and all of that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's gonna be like a very short intro, nothing long, just to introduce myself so y'all could see me. Hi, I'm here. Yes, I'm here to stay, okay? So once we hit 10K, we're gonna start with the tutorials and all of that. So make sure you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe because we gotta get Melissa to 10K, okay? And then make sure you also hit the notification bell so that you can be up to date with all my videos and that you'll get a notification when my video comes out. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye. This was so weird. Lip gloss. This chair. Okay. Ready. Hi guys. Can you hear me? How you guys doing? This is awkward.